Unboxing Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. That is a mouthful to say. The phone come in 3 types of color. Awesome ice blue, awesome lilac and awesome navy. I try to get the ice blue but out of stock. So I get the navy since my sister got the lilac. The phone come with A55 5G phone, free 25-watt brick. There is free promotion that come with Earbud FE and extra 1-year warranty. The price of the A55 phone is Rm 2000, or $425, or £334. User manual. It come with Type-C cable and interchangeable earplug. This phone is a mid-range smartphone, but it got flat aluminum frame and a glass back which look very premium, a lot like their flagship phone. You also get IP67 dust and water resistant, up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. The A55 screen size is 6.6 inches Super AMOLED with 1080p resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate and tougher Gorilla Glass Virtus Plus protection. It also support HDR10 Plus video. It look way darker, almost black in the video. User manual, warranty, and another Type-C to C cable. The A55 do come with pair of speaker and improve from the previous model, but it didn't come with audio jack. You can get the A55 with 128 or 256 GB of storage on board and it expandable with micro SD. Samsung give you the latest OS One UI 6.1 Android 14 and up to 4 years update. For the chipset it come with Exynos 1480 with 8 GB or 12 GB in RAM. Samsung A55 battery still haven't changed this year. It pack in with 5000 mAh battery. And now we have the rear camera which come with 50MP wide camera, 12MP ultra wide, 5MP for macro, and finally front camera which is 32MP. Overall that is for Samsung Galaxy A55 5G phone. A nice mid-range smartphone from Samsung, but it a bit pricey for its class compared to its competitor which offer more features with less price. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, comment and share it with your friend, family and your pet.